friends, today we are making delicious ground beef chili using our wonderful Instant Pot pressure cooker. Begin by using the saute function to brown 1 pound of ground beef. After browning the ground beef, drain any excess liquid. Now add some canola oil and saute the chopped yellow onion and garlic about 2 minutes. Now add in the beef broth. Cook ground beef, tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, tomato paste, chili powder, cumin powder, cayenne pepper powder, ground oregano, kosher salt, sugar, black pepper, and red kidney beans. Pressure cook the chili on high for 8 minutes. The chili is so good, cooked and seasoned perfectly. The Instant Pot is amazing. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching the video, Instant Pot Chili. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe.